Good morning from Carnoustie here on the banks of Loch Leven. Now the reason we've come down here this morning is because the forecast was really good, and to be fair, the sun is trying to come through the clouds now, so we should be okay. But I must have driven past Carnoustie 1,000 times before on the road between Edinburgh and Aberdeen. I've never stopped here before. Well, today that changes, and what's more, we might be going out in the water.
That would be a good place to launch the kayak.
Oh, good point. Yeah, because we could just park up there.
And you actually can paddle here, I checked.
But we're not paddling today, are we?
No.
We're going on a boat trip.
Yes. We're going to see the castle.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It's a big loch.
I can't believe we haven't stopped here before. Better late than never, I suppose, eh? So our little boat trip today is going to take us to a castle, and this castle is on an island in the middle of... Oh, which one is it? This island?
This one. Yeah, sorry.
Because there's a big island as well, but I think we're going to this one.
Yeah.
And we are just here at the moment. We'll take the wee boat out there.
Yes.
Exciting stuff.
You see? The trail around the thing is 21 kilometers. Half.
Oh, so it'll be a half marathon to run round
Yeah.
Loch
That would be
Leven.
really cool if they would do it.
And when I say boat trip, these are the boats, so it's quite small, you know. There's another one there, and I think the one that we are going on is out on the loch at the moment. Can you actually see the castle from here?
The building. I think you can see a little bit of the tower. Can you see it? There. Or maybe that's mainland.
Aye, I think that's mainland.
So what is the island there?
That wee one. Right there,
That's
I think. It looks like we've got a wee cafe here as well, or a restaurant. And over here there's some boats. Now I'm not sure if you can hire these or if they're just for fishing, but that'd be interesting. Although we really should come back on the kayak, shouldn't we?
That'll be fun.
I think we buy our tickets in here. I think this is the reception, isn't it?
Yeah.
And how much is it? £10 each. That's not too bad, is it? We've got our tickets, and our instruction is to stand here at the gate and wait for the boat. It's boarding time now, and we're the only people.
And the news is you're operating the boat. I'm holding the
Imagine.
camera. It's very mysterious today. That's like a private tour.
Spirit of the castle. Thank you.
You are rocking the boat.
And this is the toilet. You just lift this up and just sit in the
But
pan.
that's a cooler box. There's a beer in there. Yeah?
You wish. Aye, we have to sit either side for balance, don't we?
Yes.
It's not because you hate me. Good to go?
Yep. Thank you. Probably. Good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Morning.
Morning. Enjoy the island to yourself.
Thank you. So as our wee boat leaves again, that's us. We're the only two people in the island, and that kind of makes it feel like an adventure, doesn't it?
Cool.
Proper explorers. We've got a wee sign here, and it's saying welcome to Loch Leven Castle. I'm not sure of the name of the island though that the castle's on, but anyway, One of Scotland's oldest castles, a shelter to some and a prison to others. And it's saying here that Mary Queen of Scots came here 4 times. The first 3 times as a guest, and finally as a prisoner.
And then she escaped after a year.
Good on her. The wee boat trip to get here only took about 5-10 minutes, didn't it? But it was a wee bit health and safety gone mad. I had more safety instructions on that boat than I've had on some like 40-hour ferry journeys.
Which is good.
Of course, yeah. It's quite a small island and we can see over the other side already. It looks a bit windy over there. I can't believe we've got this whole island to ourselves.
It's awesome.
Crazy.
It's a cool castle. I like the walls.
Did it say it's one of the oldest as well?
Yeah, they say it's one of the oldest in Scotland. And then I guess every castle in Scotland wants to be the oldest.
So over here we've got the remains of the bakehouse and oven. I guess that would have been like their Greg's, wouldn't it?
The tower dates from the 14th century and is one of the earliest in Scotland.
Main tower first.
Okay.
I'm excited to go into the main tower. Let's do it. I don't think these steps are original, but we'll soon get to the old ones. Even you're too tall for that arch. So this is the tower house. Is this it? Is this as far as we can go? Oh no, there's some steps in the corner.
You would love to live here in the tower. Yeah.
I wouldn't mind a roof. And look at that, even back in the 1300s, they had a dumb waiter. Where is it? Does it sit here? I don't know, I think that hatch was used for other things than food.
Like what?
People.
Let's go to the steps. You go first?
Okay. Be careful, goes without saying. Oh,
You broke something.
wouldn't be the first time. All right, Mary. Oh, look, these were Mary's quarters for most of her imprisonment. She was almost always accompanied by ladies of the household, the laird's wife, his mother, and 2 young Douglas girls who often slept in Mary's room. Such companions were as effective as any guard. I wish my imagination was better. I can never picture the fact that Mary Queen of Scots was here. And what year was it? 1567. Touching these very walls. Do I hear a boat? Are they coming? We're feeling very protective over this castle already. Stay away. We should have nailed their boats, because that's what they used to do, look. And nailing boats to the shore so that Mary's captors could not give chase.
The lady said this is one of the best days they had this season.
Like weather-wise?
Yeah, like for last few days that was the best days they had through the whole year.
Ah, you chose well.
Thanks.
Oh, she's keeping going down into the basement.
Oh, that's dark. Just watch your steps, okay?
Okay. There'll be lots of rats here and spiders.
Yes. There will. Oh, that's cool. This is cool. That's cool.
Really should have taken my sunglasses off, huh? Kitchen. Ooh.
It's a really nice kitchen.
These windows are awesome, eh?
Yes, they're great.
Nice thick walls as well. What's through here? I never know what that little chute is. You see that in a lot of castles.
Toilet. No, I'm kidding. They'll be frozen.
Oh, wee birds in here with us. And we can go down even further But I think this is just the exit, to be honest.
That was like white cellar or something. They were keeping like covered.
Nice. Well, it's a lot cooler down here, isn't it?
I love it.
Well, you know what I'm going to say, don't you?
You could live here.
Right, get yourself over to that window again and check for intruders.
There's nobody coming.
See
They
the big
left us.
house? I'll try and zoom in a bit.
Cool house.
Hey, we should have brought our own flag. That's what you've got to do, isn't it? Just raise a flag and it's yours.
I'm afraid it's claimed already.
Oh, so we had a tower over on this corner. I don't trust this guy. He's up to no good. Aye, so over in the corner here we've got what remains of the Glasgow Tower, built by Sir Robert Douglas between 1540 and 1560. So this is quite modern. Lots of wee birds in here. Give me some of your best Romeo and Juliet lines.
Romeo, oh Romeo. Throw your hair. Oh no, that's Rapunzel. The steps are so small and I have small feet. How small were their feet? You know what I mean? They're tiny. People had time.
Oh.
People had time to be like really focusing when they were walking. I don't know, can we go on the...
Oh.
Oh no, I'm scared. You go.
Right, sunglasses off for this one. Ah, just a big spider's web. The water intake. And the slop basin. I don't want to be down in the slop basin. Ah, we can go up onto the wall, but not very far up onto the wall. We'll have a look. It's another good opportunity for me to slip. And that's at the end of the line, my princess. I wonder if it gets busy here in the summer. A few little kind of picnic tables. Nice place to come actually.
Yeah, and a day like today. Go up. There, just...
Love the tree.
It's a bit like a movie location, this place. With the tree in the middle and...
Be perfect for a movie.
Yeah.
So who's been here? We've had William Wallace, Robert the Bruce, Mary Queen of Scots of course, Robert II. No bad, eh?
SteveMarsh, YouTube. This is really cool bottle you got. You can keep it.
Oh, can I have some?
Yes. Stay hydrated.
So there we go, that was Loch Leven Castle, and now we're going to go for a wee wander around the rest of this unnamed island. Still don't know what it's called. Ah, so that house we could see over there, that's Carnoustie House, built in the 1670s. No bad, no bad. What are you saying? You dragged me halfway across this island. What's up?
The island is so small that if you shout from one side, I'll hear you. I have a mission for you.
Uh-huh.
I'll go into this and you take a picture of me like this, like something like this. You know what I mean?
Ta-da!
Oh no, it looks like we've got company. They're invading our island.
I love those shorts, by the way. You look like Laura Dern in Jurassic Park. I don't think there's any dinosaurs on this island, but do you want to go for a look?
Yes. Oh wow, that's busy.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't know if we'll make it back, if they all want to come back.
I know, if they all go on the first boat back. Right, get me into the shade. So we've turned down the first boat back to shore, and that means that we're not guaranteed on the next one, or the one after that, so let's see how long we're going to be spending on this island. But the 45 minutes or so that it gives you to go back in the first boat, it's not really long enough, is it?
Yeah.
We've only really just explored the castle, we haven't had a look around the island yet, so there's no way we were going back yet, but we'll see when we escape.
That might turn into a challenge. 1 year later, we're still here.
Yes! But there are emergency radios throughout the island. So if it gets really bad, we can order pizza.
It would be cool if they kept this open and you just had like waiting area. You know, if it's raining or something, you could just...
Ah, you could have books and stuff in there just to sit down and have a wee read. It's very mysterious, isn't it? I love the light.
I like this colour, this is cool.
Yeah, kind of rusty colour, eh?
Uh-huh.
Rusty bricks.
Some really weird moss.
You'll often hear little Cessnas and the like in this area, and I think that's because there's an airfield fairly close to here. In fact, I think it might have been an RAF base at one point. It's mainly a farm now, but there's still a wee bit of airstrip available for private planes. But again, we've reached the end of the line here, bird nesting area. Please do not go beyond this point. This part of the island is home to nesting herons. I tell you what though, it's lovely and cool in the trees, but someone's off to sit in the sunshine, get our last little bit of a Scottish summer.
You can sit here if you prefer, with mushroom.
That's more my style, isn't it?
Oh, not nice. Are we going in the right way?
I think so, it's still a path, isn't it? Kind of. Oh yeah, you're wearing shorts. Jurassic Park shorts.
I feel like we're in Jurassic Park right now.
Oh no, this is like Edsel all over again, isn't it? We'll have to swim back.
No, this is not a path. Right.
Okay. We can accept defeat. That's us pretty much seen the whole island now, I think, but the next boat that comes back, I've got a feeling we're not going to get on it because it carries 12 passengers and there's 11 other people on the island, so we might have to wait for the next one. We might have to be a wee bit patient. But we bought a wee book about the history of the place, so we can just sit in the sun and read that, can't we? Here's a cool wee nugget of information. Did you know the island on which the castle sits used to be much smaller? At some places the water was only about 1.5 metres from the castle walls. Between 1826 and 1836 the loch was partially drained, so the island got bigger. This drawing shows the island in 1778. Aye, it was tiny back then, eh? How are you enjoying the last days of summer? Soaking it up.
Yes. Sit with me.
Sitting down here's got us thinking. We've got the tent in the car and we're both off tomorrow. So maybe while we're down in this part of the world, we could camp overnight. You think? If the weather stays like this, there's no reason why not to.
Yeah. The lady said there's lots of places where you can camp and go for walks and stuff, so...
Aye, the boat's just arriving and we've counted everyone and everyone's gone back for it, so that's 11 people with a capacity of 12. Looks like I'm going back on my own.
Well, looks like we're waiting.
We just have to hope the next boat's not full, or else we could be here all day.
That would be interesting for the video.
It would.
Imprisoned on Prison Island.
Right, what have we got coming off the boat? We've got 1, 2, 8.
Oh no.
I think at the very worst, we're on the next boat.
Mine?
Oh no, there's more.
There's more.
This is dramatic, isn't it?
This is very stressful now. Come on, ducklings. Walk faster. Can you walk all in the light? Oh no, we should move from because they're taking the pictures of the castle and we're in the middle. Come on, let's move.
Hey, you didn't have to get me a helicopter.
Sorry, I overreacted. I panicked. Oh, no drones. No fire, no camping.
Just as well we don't have a drone, eh? Look at the view over there, it's beautiful.
It would be a good location for the crime story. 12 strangers on the island, you've got 45 minutes, somebody goes missing. And then you're looking for the person, it's like, where are they? Like, they couldn't just disappear.
Tell you what, the 10 new islanders, they've fair disappeared, haven't they?
Yeah.
Quick, the boat's here.
Is it?
Yes.
No, no it's not.
It is.
You're joking. It's not. I only have one pair of socks. I packed nothing. Do we have stuff in the van?
We don't have a van.
Oh, we don't have a van, okay.
Oh no.
That might be an issue. Is that a different boat?
It is indeed. Mary Seaton. Thanks, mate. Cheers. Enjoy that?
Yes, great. Did you like it?
It was awesome. Well, I think we'll just leave the car here and we'll go to the town centre. What do you think about that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, that boat trip was a lot of fun, highly recommended. I'd probably say though the kind of 45 minutes you have is enough because we thought we could go for a wander around the island and there wasn't actually that much more to see on the island, so we could have come back on that first boat, but we didn't. Now we're going to go and have a look at Carnoustie. And like I said before, it's not somewhere I've really been before. It's one of these places you just kind of bypass on the motorway, so this is a first for me. You've been before, haven't you?
I've been once for a coffee and it was very nice. The town centre was very pretty.
So here we are, downtown Carnoustie. Am I ready for this? It does look awfully nice though, just as a high street, you know. And a wee kind of market cross here, is it? So there we are folks, Carnoustie. I'll tell you what, this central wee bit is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know that there's much more to it, but we'll try and find somewhere to get a wee drink or something.
That was a Carnegie Library.
Oh, that's Carnegie Library?
It was. I was up there. Yeah, the cottages are really cute.
It's a beautiful little town, isn't it? Aye, it's one of those places I'd never think of coming, which is what's actually happened because I've never been here. We're doing some research here, having a couple of pies. And yeah, you found a place to go, have you?
Yes, I found a place. It says 60 minutes drive
Perfect.
to the car park, so we can try.
Aye, so what we'll do is we'll go for a wee hike to a lovely place by all accounts, and if we find somewhere worth camping there, then we can just come back with the tent later on.
I like
We've
that.
got some water, we've got some pies, enough to keep us going just now. If we find a wee coffee shop on the way, we'll nip in there, eh?
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah. Let's go.
That's stones.
Yeah, I'm afraid so. Bumpy. Oh no, sorry, it's just your driving. Are you excited?
I don't know, to be honest.
Why?
The destination.
No, it'll be good to have a... Oh, stones. It'll be good to have a wee walk. But we'll see what it's like. I'm reserving judgment on this one.
Well, some people call it hidden gem of this area.
So welcome to Glenvale Car Park, somewhere outside Cannoustie, about 15-20 minutes drive. We're going to go for a walk from here, and only one of us knows this place, and it's not me.
Let's go.
Did I lock the car? Yes. Strenuous.
No, it's not strenuous. It's not. It's fine.
Right, where are we going?
Right, we're going here. Da 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 to the waterfall, which I don't know where it is, but it's somewhere.
That sounds good enough to me.
Enjoy the shade.
Oh, I am. I might just stay in here. Completely flat, she said. No hills, she said. And here we are at the end of this wee path at a beautiful wee waterfall. Thanks for showing me this. Oh, it's been quite hot getting here. I feel like I need to touch that water. I'm not quite going to go for a shower, but just to touch it. I'm sure it's going to be nice and cold. Oh yeah. Nice and refreshing, isn't it? Good Scottish water. And do we just keep going this way?
Yes.
So it's a bit of a loop.
Yes. You can see the valley better from this side.
Dodgy wee path, this.
Literally.
Aye. It's maybe not the first thing you'd picture if you think of Fife, is it?
Yeah.
Just the colours as well, eh? This isn't the way, but we're just checking to see if there's a view from up here, but I don't think so. I think it just keeps going. I mean, you could still say that's a view. It's not bad, is it?
Not bad at all. I can see the good camping spot.
Don't tell me they're doing Fife helicopter tours now. This is getting out of hand.
Hold on, maybe. Because it will go behind the hill.
We're trying to decide if we should camp tonight. What's the time?
3:30.
3:30. We've got loads of time, haven't we?
Hours.
When does it even get dark?
It'll be nice, the last camping of the summer.
Yeah. There's a title for the video.
But Steven is a bit fragile.
I am a bit fragile. I had a really bad migraine about 2 days ago and I haven't really recovered from it yet. I'm still very tired. But really, this will do you a lot better than sitting at home, won't it?
I had alcohol related migraine and I'm fine now, but I think it's a bit different.
Yeah, I've got no sympathy for you at all.
Yeah.
But she deserves a wee night out. Now and again.
And again. And again.
And again. I mean, even during the day we've seen about 10 people up here, so imagine what it would be like at night. It's just gonna be absolutely deserted. We'll have the whole place to ourselves. Well, I say that, maybe this is where the Fifers come to drink.
I know, maybe everyone comes here on Friday night.
As long as they bring us a cold beer as well, who's complaining?
Not for me. No.
Hey, maybe we can just camp in the car park, yeah?
I can camp with the sheep.
Just bear in mind though, if we're going to be camping back along there, we've got lots of tents and stuff in the car, but we don't really have a bag to carry it all. We'll work something out. The rolling hills of Fife, way off in the distance.
It's a bit hazy today.
It is a bit hazy. In fact, just this morning when we were driving down the road, the fog just dropped on us and we thought it was going to be a horrible day. But look at it now. Right, that's us almost ready to go camping. I've paid my £5 fee for the overnight bay. There's only one overnight bay. Sorry if anyone else turns up, but that's the way it goes. Got the wee tent, we've got a blanket, and we're just getting all the rest of the stuff together. Do you think we can do this in one trip?
Well, I can try.
Off we go. This is going to be a long walk. Dedication, ooh, dedication. Dedication.
Hey,
That's what you
in a
need.
better mood now.
I'm not as tight as the sun. It kills me. It's just typical, isn't it? The one spot we can feasibly pitch a tent, the one little patch of ground that's flat enough, it's almost back at the waterfall. Ah. How you getting on?
Yeah, it's alright.
Aye, better than me. We are almost there. We're staying somewhere under this rock, which suddenly looks more precarious than it did before. But it should be okay. Down here somewhere, I think, to the right of the path. So aye, big rock to our left and path down here to the right. And I'm not going to lie, getting in here, that was harder than I expected. Oof. Home sweet home.
Why is that the best camping spot is right under those rocks?
Perfect.
Oh wow.
I packed that away so well the last time.
You did. I admit.
How's it going in there?
It's good.
Is it flat enough, do you think?
I think so. You can come in and check.
Oh, it's full of sand.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Right now that feels good. All the proper campers out there might be laughing at our little festival tent setup, but I tell you what, that is comfortable. And I know we've got duvets instead of sleeping bags, but it makes all the difference, you know. And it's no a bad spot, is it? Yeah.
Come on, give me
He almost knocked me over with that high five. My boots need an exorcism after I've been walking in them all day. Do you agree?
No, don't.
So what do we do now?
Sleep.
A well-deserved snack. What have you got in your wrap?
Tuna.
Oh no.
It was boiling in my backpack the whole day.
Lovely.
Oh.
It's freezing. And I'm in my Crocs. Looks good though.
Yeah, let's go up.
Bye tent. Hope there's not a sheep in it when we come back. Now we've got to get round there, past the waterfall, and away up to the top.
Yes, that's the plan.
In my Crocs.
Look at the sun.
On your face.
It's very nice.
Onwards.
You see,
That's our shower for the morning.
you're going on recording this in the morning. You put your steps in your Crocs. Yeah,
Oh, can you see a wee tent?
it's kind of blending in.
And there's people coming along the
Where?
path. Look.
It's a bit late for them.
It's been such a nice calm day today, but that's the fog rolling in again and the wind is getting up. In fact, it almost looks like it could rain, doesn't it? But got this kind of foggy sunset, which is quite a cool effect to be fair. I'm glad we came up here.
Thanks. I know, it was a great idea.
You know what?
What?
You speak of bedtime, I think.
Yeah.
So we've got sheep following us up here, and we've got one in the path down here. No, two. It's an ambush. No, three. Yeah, what are you doing on this side of the fence? Back down our private corridor to our suite.
You're going right after me. If you fall me. That's for sure.
That's life. I'm glad we went for a walk and we kind of saw a nice wee bit of sunset. I hope you saw that in the video as well. But that's us safely back at the tent now. And I think it's fair to say we're both quite knackered. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're both quite knackered. See you in the morning. It's a bit damp out there. And foggy. But that was an okay night, to be honest, wasn't it?
It was okay.
Yeah. Wow. That's beautiful. Right, I'm getting up. Aye, we might not have the best weather this morning, but that is stunning, isn't it? Ah well, here we go, let's get this packed away. Did you hear me?
I didn't agree with this.
Your dedication to dry duvets is admirable.
Can we hurry?
And with that, our sight is clear, and now we just need to walk back to the car. What a thought.
Is that a goodbye?
It is, I think. Is it? Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh, look at the light. Let's go.
Wow, always stop to look back, eh? Look at these. It's incredible, isn't it?
How is there so many?
They just go on forever. Good luck today, lads.